Oh, hey guys, welcome back. Todd here again with TW Home Show. As you see, it's that time again. Time to remove our pool filter. It's a cartridge pool filter. And I got a new tool today that I wanted to share with you guys. First time I'm using it is going to be live here with you. So let's see how it works. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. You know your pool filter cartridge is dirty when it weighs a ton to try to lift out of the filter housing. This thing is weighing a lot right now. You can tell it's dirty within the cartridge fins. So usually I take a hose and do each fin all the way around and then flip it and do the same thing again. So it takes me a long time to do it. But today I have a new tool to share with you. It's from Davey Spa. I like that it's got a quick connect end right there. I did install a quick connect on my hose end here so I can still water the plants out here and then just swap this off like that. And we'll see what this thing looks like. There it is. See, I wouldn't have to get through each pleat of the cartridge filter with this thing. That's what I was thinking anyway. It's kind of curved. Now it does have a button here. Not sure what that does. And it's got some kind of adjustment turning knob. It only goes this far. So that's probably to turn the water on and off valve. It also comes with a quick connect release adapter if you don't have one. So let me get it hooked up. First I'm going to show you how I did it, how I cleaned this. The old method, the old way. You can probably relate. Alright, so here's how I used to do it, probably how all of you do it. Just get it on like that and pretty much go through every pleat until I see clear water start coming out of the pleat. Then I move it around. Like I said, I do this all the way around on the top, then I flip it and I do it all the way around to flush it back down. So it's kind of time consuming. It's something I don't like to come out and do anyway. So if I can make it any quicker, I'll do that. So let's swap out these ends. Try out our new adapter. All right, so I'm not sure if I'm going to need the supplied quick connector end or if I can use my brass quick connector end that I already have here. So we'll try it out. Okay, it does fit and click in place. We'll see if it seals properly. Now I'm not sure which side is up or down or if it matters, but looks like it's more concave underneath here, so you could kind of run down it like this. And it's not going to fit exactly inside the cleats, but pretty darn close. And it's got a wider span of jets coming out, so we'll see how that works. All right, water's on, guys, and this is off. It's not leaking here. Turn this. All right, I'll press the valve. Oh, actually it's leaking at the top here. Get this tightened down. And do this. Press the button there. Oh, so it's a push on, push off. And then this, okay, this is the intensity, this turn knob here. So that's less pressure, full pressure. And then off. On, off, and then pressure. Low pressure, high pressure. All right, let's try this out. Oh. Well, I don't know, guys. It's getting in there. More pleats at a time. If you pull it away from the pleats, you're going to get hit in the face with the splash. I'm going to turn this down a bit. Try that method. Now it's on lower. If you're in real close with the jets, you might not need it quite as high pressure. Still seems to be cleaning at a lower pressure. Let me turn it back up a bit. Now, if you're out here in your bathing suit, you're going to be good to go. And this will keep you cooled down for sure. And it looks like it goes like 3 pleats squeezed together at a time that fit in between the combs here. For me, I don't know. I'll wait till the end here to share my thoughts. Meanwhile, you think about your thoughts. All right, there you go. It's working. It's working all right. You see that? It's lighter weight. So I know I got some of the gunk out of it. I'm going to turn it over and do it this way now, like I usually do. Well, after I get used to it, I kind of like it. I feel like it's not going to take me forever to clean this darn thing. I just go around it till it looks like it's all looking white again, bright white, all the pleats. And I flipped it, so really, this is about factory weight when wet. So I'm satisfied. I'm gonna go ahead and reload the cartridge and then I'll tell you my thoughts. So guys, what do you think about the pool filter cartridge cleaner that gets more than 1 pleat at a time? It's kind of like a comb design system with lots of jets coming out to get into and jet into each cartridge pleat of your pool filter. Push on off switch, turn the water on and off, and then water volume selector. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. At first I wasn't until I got used to it. I'm like, you know what, I don't mind getting a little bit back splatter while I'm changing around, going around the pleats, because usually it's hot out there anyway. So I'm not afraid of water, so I think I do like this design because it's going to help me clean this or get rid of this project very quickly. And that's what I like. I don't like to come out here and spend a half hour just pleat by pleat cleaning the pool filter. So I think this is going to help me, even though I can maybe do it a little bit more often, since this doesn't get a real deep cleaning, I don't feel. I think it does get pretty decent. It does do a pretty decent job. So I'll leave a link to this in the video description, as well as my brass quick connectors that do work with this tool. So if I can show you right, these are the same size here. So it does work. Screw it on into your hose, then you can swap out from your normal hose end to your pleat cleaner tool end. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.